scouring an ingot from repurposing a wedding ring.
Right now I started milling this ingot and it was turning into a wonky shape, so I'm trying to straighten it out a little bit before I go back to the machine and continue. I'm heating up the metal, or annealing the metal. I'm about to quench the hot metal. So now I can handle it. I'm gonna revisit my measurements to make sure that I'm on track. Now I'm gonna continue milling this ingot, make it a little bit more narrow. Start rolling it flat. So right now I have an ingot that I've rolled out flat. It's on its way to becoming the right width and height that Michelle needs to make a ring. And right now it's still too thick, so I'm going to continue rolling it flat.